Welcome to this introductory video on my newest and latest course, Building NotionOS with Shortcuts, where you will automate smarter, work faster, and unlock Notion's full potential. This video is meant to give you some idea on what to expect from this course, who is this course made for, and what is the main goal of it. So what can you essentially expect to learn from this? We will build context-aware Siri shortcuts for Notion. And what this means is we will build shortcuts that will be aware of what's currently on your screen, whether it's an app, your URL you're having currently opened in your browser, and or any other content. Maybe not screen related, maybe it's a focus mode, maybe it's a different time of the day, a location, etc. You will learn how to automate repetitive tasks in the background, such as admin tasks for your projects or different ideas database. You will learn how to use special triggers and conditions for these context-aware Siri shortcuts. So different workflows we will create throughout this course include tasks and notes management, time tracking, projects organization, URLs and podcast clips savings, and book quotes saving. So what is essentially contextual programming? On mobile devices, it is known for example, auto switch dark mode on at night. On Internet of Things devices, the smart home automation is based on the location. And with Siri shortcuts, it's running different actions based on the situation. So contextual programming in a nutshell is a approach where software adapts based on the situation you're in, device is in. So it can be the device type, a screen content, current app, location, or time of the day. So why context matters in Notion automation? Without context utilization and without running shortcuts directly, you're actually really far behind. And with this course, we will try to fix that. So I built this table that just schematically shows the combinations of different of either combining context utilization and either running shortcuts directly or not running shortcuts directly and not using context utilization. So if you are not using context utilization and you are not running shortcuts, you are manually open Notion run tasks through the UI. That's what the majority of people do, and that's actually not a very efficient way of using Notion, especially when such tools as shortcuts exist. And with context utilization and without running shortcuts directly, you set up shortcuts to be run in the background. That's what we will also create in this course, like auto admin shortcuts. For example, we will run an admin task at 10 p.m. daily to archive the completed projects, etc. And if you start using shortcuts, so you're running shortcuts directly, but you're still not aware about the context utilization, you just manually run different shortcuts for different Notion tasks, and that's great. Even at this point, you're taking advantage of such an amazing tool as shortcuts. So for example, you may insert dictated idea to your Notion database, or new project, new task, new client in your CRM base. And when you start utilizing context, you basically have a shortcut, a universal shortcut that adapts dynamically, whether you're adding a task, saving a note, or organizing a content. So the core goal of this course is to build a universal Siri shortcut that will detect where you are in Notion page, database, or the app, and it will adjust its action based on this situation. And also, as a great bonus, it will save you time by reducing the manual steps. If you were using a manual steps through the UI in Notion before, you will reduce them now and be more efficient. So who is this course made for? Well, first things first, it's Notion power users, so the users who are constantly seeking for new ways of optimization, new ways of automation, and new ways of speeding up their process. So it also includes business owners who use Notion for all their areas of business management, and those who are crazy about saving even a small bit of time to do the stuff that really matters. This is especially made for these people. Okay, and where can you get to know me better and ask your questions? So after purchasing this course, you'll be able to get a 24/7 support It includes personal advices and automation tips for your workspace, because everyone's workspace is completely different, and it's impossible to create a perfect set of shortcuts, perfect set of automation tools for everyone in a single bundle. So people may have different desires, different needs, and this is actually completely normal. So you can really ask me questions through Telegram, through WhatsApp, or even use exclusive Discord server channel made just for the course course users. So that's basically it for this introductory video. Hopefully this gave you a brief idea of what to expect from this, who is this made for, and what is the core goal of it. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for this course.